Okay, so my name is Darwin Leon. I was born in Havana, Cuba. I have a bachelor's in fine arts in the visual arts from the Miami International University of Art and Design. This is my second year in the UF Masters in Art Education program. I'm a visual art instructor in different art centers in painting and drawing, and that is some of my work. Classical approaches and modern modes of expressions for the contemporary artists. An art center community program for the artist development is the name of my project. The rationale and connections is to develop a structure for a community art center or artist residence, workshop or atelier design for adult professional artists wanting to polish their practice and advance their career as artists. Such a center will focus on skills, techniques, processes, expressive qualities, and production of art forms that are likely to be valued highly by galleries, art critics, in jury art competitions by art schools, and by the buying public at large. My research questions are: how will this benefit the art community, this program? What impact will this have on the students' learning? And how, by incorporating classical and modern approaches in art, will result as a fundamental learning curriculum for the contemporary artist? My literature review. My three main points are classical, modern, and contemporary art, art centers and community art programs around the nation, and of course the atelier. My research methods or methodology is based on semi-structured interview, which is an overarching term used to describe a range of different forms of interviewing most commonly associated with qualitative research. Here my scholars are Nigel Newton in the use of semi-structured interviews in qualitative research, Tom Wengraf in qualitative research interviewing, and Cohen D. and Crabtree in qualitative research. And of course, yes, I do need IRB approval. It is required for my project. For my data collection and analysis, the kind of data that I will be collecting will be by interviewing teaching artists, education directors, and I'll be using the purposive sampling approach, which is I want to learn their teaching technique. I want to learn what will be for them an effective curriculum for traditional and contemporary art education. And I want to know the mission statements from the different art centers that I will be studying. My material that I will most likely be gathering is mostly based on web-based materials, student work, teachers' work, exhibitions, art programs, articles, and curriculums. And the way that I will be doing this is by using theoretical and conceptual studies, which is by voice recording, by using notes, interview notes, to learn their teaching approach and their philosophy. I will start my research in January 2014, and it will take about 3 months. What is next? In order for me to keep moving forward my investigation, I need to refine my proposal, find more scholars, experts on the subject, study more in depth the different art centers and art community programs around the nation, and explore the possibility of adding more of the atelier concept into my investigation. And this is the end of my presentation.